Your parents say everything is your fault, but they don't know you like I know you. They don't know you at all.
I'm so sick of when they say it's just a phase, you'll be okay, you're fine.
But I know it's not love. This is our last night you'll spend alone. Look me in the eye so I know you know how every you are. know what it's like when you wish you were someone else who didn't need your help to get by? Do you know what it's like to wanna surrender? I don't wanna feel like this tomorrow. I don't wanna live like this today. Make me feel better. I wanna feel better. Stay with me here now and never surrender. Never surrender. Do you know what it's like when you're not who you wanna be? Do you know what it's like to be your own worst enemy? Who sees the things in me I can't hide? Do you know what it's like to wanna surrender? I don't wanna feel like this tomorrow. I don't wanna live like this today. Make me feel better. I wanna feel better. Stay with me here now and never surrender. Make me feel better. You make me feel better. You make me feel better. Put me back together. I don't wanna feel like this tomorrow. I don't wanna live like this today. Make me feel better. I need to feel better. Stay with me here now and never surrender. Put me back together. Never surrender. Make me feel better. You make me feel better. Stay with me here now and never surrender. If I wasn't here tomorrow, would anybody care? If my time was up, I'd wanna know